Alright, guys. So just thought about creating this small video about our open positions that we are having and what can be the possible scenarios and what can be our actions in case things don't go in our favor. And we know, I think coming week is the last week of before monthly expiry. So all this decay and things will be happening very fast. तो अपना आई थिंक नॉन डायरेक्शनल ट्रेड है ऑन DLF. I think this is very much in control, or we have seen the decay already happening, और ये दो strike अपनी हैं, and the trade is still very much within this range itself. In case I don't see that an option, I think we still have a good margin of safety of 3 to 4 5% ऊपर 5% नीचे. आई थिंक मुझे ऐसा मूवमेंट दिख नहीं रहा, बट इन केस हैपेंस आई थिंक देन वी कैन do some adjustment, even if it does not go any where if it is continues to be within this range, then we will add more lots to maximize the profit. अभी current profit max profit 7.5 दिख रहा है. I think एक lot और add कर देंगे तो that can go well beyond 10k, so I think that should be the aim. We will see how it goes. As of now, it is very well in control. Policy बाजार, I think we started with long, मगर यहाँ से तगड़ी selling आई है, and some of these big red candles are bit of concerning. मगर ये last Friday को last moment में ये जो buying आके above 200 डेमा के ऊपर close हुआ है, so this is little it won't show the strength, but I think now we are on short side. We have sold under 1840 strike, so I think यहाँ तक नहीं आना चाहिए. But then this is a little it has made us a bit of watchful. देखते हैं अगर ये आएगा तो then we need to do some adjustment. Otherwise नहीं भी आएगा तो I think this is still very safe. I think अगर ये 2-3 दिन ऊपर यहीं पर कर देगा तो I think we will find the decay very fast, or we will gain max profits. Anyway, I think we have minimized our losses since this has gone against our usual view, but then still we are very well in control. देखते हैं. I think some adjustment might be needed in this. Persistent, this is a beauty. This has gone very well in our favor. और अभी 2 लॉट के साथ हम 5800 की स्ट्राइक पर हैं, तो आई थिंक वी विल ऐड मोर लॉट्स टू दिस. आई डोंट वांट टू गो मच क्लोजर. अगर एक कोई तगड़ी सेलिंग या प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आएगी तो इट माइट शो सम वोलेटिलिटी, so I want to avoid that, but I will add more lots to this and maximize the profits. I think this is very well. We are already having more than 10k profits in this, so I think वो सब safety है, and psychologically we are very well placed in this. So this is all looking very good. I had some position in CG Power, again delta neutral. I think this is also looking very fine, and I think all in all we are well placed. We should do good. We will try to carry this trade itself till expiry. So let's see how it goes. In case some any adjustment is needed, then I will let you all. Always, thank you. Cheers.